Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today it is an OTC market, so I'm going to show you how can we take trades on OTC market. Okay, so here you can see that just right now I open my IQ option and you can see exactly from my levels market is reversing continuously. So what does it mean? It means that we are working on a right SNRs. Okay, so what does it mean? We are working on right SNRs. Okay, so let's analyze the market here, then I'm going to take any kind of trade. So here you can see that market movement is like this. So let's wait for a good opportunity. Okay, now if I analyze the market here, you can see here the next level is far away, so I can go confidently with the sellers, and I took my trade in a down direction and I will win this trade for sure. Okay, I need to secure. Okay, so no issues. I was trying to get a good entry point, but unfortunately I am late, so no issues. I will win this trade here. Now you can see that if I see on the left side, I am not seeing any kind of level near to this point, so I can easily go with the sellers again from this point. Okay, so I took my trade and I won my first trade. Now this is my second trade. So the market movement is like this. Market is making lower lows in the market, so therefore I took this trade. This trade is a very good trade because of the strongness of the candle, and you can see here this rejection will not work here. Why? Because volume wise this candle is a strong seller's candle, so therefore the next candle will also go down and will close as a bearish. Why it is a strong candle? You can see here this is a very strong candle, so therefore the next candle is going down and it will close as a bearish for sure. So if we analyze the market like this, we can easily take win trades. Okay, so if I see the okay, now I can expect a buyer's entry from this point. Okay, I have taken my trade in an up direction, so let's see what happens here. Why I took my trade in an up direction? You can see here on the left side, I want to show you all one thing here. Here in this area market reversed so many times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, and from this point you are seeing a strong buyer's movement. So therefore I took my trade in an up direction, and I want to tell you one thing here. This candle is a weak candle. If you compare this candle with the previous one, this is a small candle, so therefore the next candle is going up, and therefore market reversed. You can see I won my trade here. Now if I analyze the market and I took my trade in an up direction, why? Because I want to show you one thing here. In the 5 seconds, okay, I want to secure my trade. Okay, so I took my trade here. So in 5 seconds you can see it is a very good confirmation, and the candle closed exactly at the level. So therefore I took my trade in an up direction. So let's see what happens. We will win this trade for sure, because this is a reversal area. From this point, I told you in the beginning of this video that our levels are working properly because we have drawn it properly, and now you can see candle closed exactly at the level and it made a new high. So what does it mean? Buyers were trying to go up, so therefore the next candle went up and we won this trade too. So this is how we can take trades, and it is the best way to identify the market. So let me show you here again. So here you can see that I took my first trade after this candle and I won this trade. Okay, so now if you analyze the market here, this second candle is much stronger than this last candle. So what does it mean? The first thing, it is a downtrend. The trend is a downtrend, and you can see what happened here. The candle got a rejection. Okay, so there was no level, as I showed you in the video in my first trade, and there was a gap to the level. This was the level, and which I have checked. So because of that gap, the market went down. Okay, so you can see here there was a tiny gap. Because of this gap, the market went down, and I took my another trade with this candle, and I won also that trade. Why I won that trade, let me show you here. If you analyze the market here, a reversal candle, then a strong candle. Now you can easily see that this candle is not a strong candle, it is a reversal candle and weak candle. Okay, so what does it means? If I see the levels, if I see the possibilities, you can see that trend was a downtrend. Okay, for this candle I am talking about, trend was a downtrend and the candle was a weak candle. It is having a rejection, it is at the level, so I have only this choice to go with the sellers. But now if I compare these two candles with each other, you can see here this candle is a weak candle, it is a reversal candle, and it is at the level, so therefore the next candle went up. So this was my third trade. I took 3 trades and I showed you all, because you can see here I want to explain to you all this here. Now you can see here, if you know how to draw the levels, you can see market reversed again. Market came at that area, I took with 5-second confirmation and I won these trades because I was 100% confident that the market will go up. So therefore the next candle went up. Now you can see here, if you are having some kind of confusion that okay, this was my luck, so no, this was not my luck, this was my analysis. These were my perfect analysis, and you can see here the next candle came down and closed exactly at the level as a reversal candle. So what happened, you can see the next candle went up and this candle also went up, and you can win your trade here. Now if you see here what's going on in the market, you can see market is getting the rejection exactly from the reversal point. So you need to analyze these things. If you want to take trades, analyze things like this. Now you can see there is a gap, so if you are here, then there is no need to take your trade. If the candle closes here like this, then you can take trade. If the candle closes like this, then you can take trades. If the candle closes like this, you can easily take your trades. So with a gap, try to avoid the trading. Why? Because you never knows market will fulfill this gap or not. Okay, now you can see, because of this confusion, if someone takes trade in a down direction, it will be a risky trade. So this is how you can easily take trades on perfect situations. And if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed, you all. Have a blessed weekend ahead. Take care. Bye for now. We will meet with another video. Thanks a lot. Bye.